Hello engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are seeing what is showing on the screen there. Or have you noticed something like this on your mobile phone or on a phone a customer brought to you? They will complain that when they put battery, they will say battery temperature too low. The phone will soon power off. Sometimes we might think that it is battery. You have to go for another battery, so they will change another battery. So after changing, you will still see this the same fault repeating itself. Some will say it is the panel, but it is not the panel or the battery. I have experienced this. I have troubleshooted it and fixed this kind of issue. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to fix something like this anytime it occurs. So let's go. So you need to have your soldering iron, hot soldering iron, a lead wire or an electrical wire to run this operation. So there are two ways I'm doing this. So look at that terminal. You bridge those things together. So you can use your lead or you use a wire, or you can come down to that terminal spot there. Yes, the leg of that terminal. You need to bridge it either with a wire or with a lead. So when you do something like that, that problem will stop. Trust me, that problem will stop. It's a tested and trusted method. I've done it before. It have worked for me. Even ask other experienced engineer, they will still tell you the same thing. So first of all, you need to scratch that place that it will be rubbed for lead to match. So let's go. Good. You look at what I'm doing there. Look at that spot there. The negative spot with the middle, which is the ground, the middle, you bridge those two things together. You can use wire, all those soft wire, like all those mouthpiece or speaker wire. You can use it, or you use lead to bridge it. So you need to use a professional soldering iron, that is a soldering iron with long mouth, so that it will be very easy to bridge something like that. And your soldering iron should be very hot. Hope you are seeing it. My own is not too hot, so I'm just trying to do it because the voltage in my area is not that high. So, but make sure your soldering iron is very hot so that it can burn lead and give you a neat work. So the leg is broken because the voltage in my area is not that high. But I hope you understand what I'm doing there. Don't bridge all of them together, just the two, the negative and the middle leg, or the GND. Bridge those two things with lead. After bridging it, you test it. You confirm what I'm saying. It is a trusted and tested pattern. So take a good look at it. Bridge it very well. Good. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing there. Yeah, that is it. Then another pattern is putting wire or lead in the front of that terminal or battery connector. You still do the same thing. You put your wire through that negative port and the GND or the middle leg. Sometimes if you don't have light to do it, just do this second method. You can use wire or you use lead to do something like that. Make sure the negative leg and the middle leg is bridged. Then I'll use soldering iron to cut it. Good. So when you do something like that, it will work perfectly. It will work perfectly. Trust the process. It will work perfectly. So that is it. That is how to troubleshoot and fix phone showing battery temperature too low. Your panel is not bad. Your battery is not bad. It's just a bridge, and that is so. Look at it. Good. So I did this to at 2166. So let's watch the process. Before, when you plug the battery, Before, when you just on the phone, within 1 or 2 minutes, they will show you that thing. But it's not showing like that after preparing the phone. So look at it. Even till 10 minutes, nothing happened. So that is a simple way of doing something like that. Thank you.